In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build clientele faster on Booksy using proven tips. If you want to grow your bookings consistently, the first thing to focus on is your Booksy profile. Make sure it looks complete and professional from the start. That means adding a clear business description, keeping your contact information up to date, listing your services accurately, and setting clear pricing. When potential clients land on your page, they should immediately understand what you offer and feel confident about booking with you. A polished profile creates trust and helps you stand out. Next, add professional photos. This is one of the easiest ways to make a stronger first impression. Upload high quality images of your work, your business space, and the services you provide. Good photos help clients picture the experience before they book, and they also give your profile a more credible, established feel. Try to use clean, well-lit images that represent your brand well. Another important part of growing faster on Booksy is encouraging client reviews. After an appointment, ask happy clients to leave feedback. Positive reviews can make a huge difference because they build social proof. When new visitors see that others had a great experience, they are much more likely to trust your business and choose you over someone else. You'll also want to offer online booking and keep your calendar updated. Convenience matters. Clients are far more likely to book when they can quickly see your availability and reserve a time without extra back and forth. An accurate calendar helps prevent confusion and makes your business feel organized and easy to work with. To bring in new people, use promotions and discounts strategically. Introductory offers, seasonal specials, or limited time deals can give first-time customers a reason to try your services. This can be especially useful if you're still building visibility and want to create momentum. Be sure to share your booking link everywhere. It makes sense. Add it to your social media pages, your website, your email signature, and any other marketing channels you use. The easier it is for people to find your booking page, the easier it is for them to become paying clients. Once people start reaching out, provide excellent customer service. Respond to inquiries promptly, stay on schedule, and make sure the experience is smooth from booking